Hi, hi, my name is Joan. I'm from Cameroon and I study at the University of the People. So, in today's video, we are going to be discussing on the review quiz, the importance of the review quiz because some students don't take the review quiz to be part of the U People assignment, not knowing the importance of the review quiz. So, just stay tuned and you watch this video to the end. So we are going to start. We log into the Chrome browser as usual to check out the review quiz, why it's important. So here the review quiz is always in the week 9, but it will be open on the week 8 for you to be able to revise it. For the final exam is just for 4 days. It's not like for the 7 days in the other weeks. But on the week 8, the review quiz is going to be open. The review quiz grades are not being added to the final grades of the course. But the review quiz is very important because it helps you to revise all the works, all the coursework from the week 1 to the week 8. And it can be about 30 something questions. It's also unlimited. You can do the review quiz for so many times. You can do it for so many times. But you can see that the review quiz is thick because this video is just for us to know the review quiz, and I already took the review quiz, that even the final exam. That's why you see that they are all thick. So we are going to log into the review quiz to read the informations found in the review quiz. So here you can see that they have written the review quiz will test your knowledge of all materials learned in this course. The result of this quiz will not count towards your final grade, but will help guide you in more thoroughly reviewing necessary topics and adequately preparing for the final exam. So the review quiz questions come from all around, in short, everywhere where you have studied from the unit 1 to the unit 8. The review quiz questions are coming, in short, they are being selected randomly. That's why you need to know all the questions of the self quiz and the questions for the graded quiz. And one thing we have to know is the review quiz, you can do it so many times. You can see the number of attempts I took just to revise the questions, to know it in order to perform well in the exam. And the questions can be 40, they can be 39, they can be 35 in the review quiz. You would need to take all of them. You can do more attempts on the questions because you can see here they have written review. This review here is going to help you for the final exam because you'll be able to come back and click on the review. It's going to take you back to the question. And the important thing here is if you fail some questions in the review quiz, the machine automatically updates the correct answers for the questions, for all the questions, and it will be so helpful for you to do the revision because some questions do come back from the review quiz in the final exam. So we are going to log in one attempt here, to see how the inside of the review quiz is. So we are going to click on review. We use attempt 2. So on this review quiz here, you can see the time I took to take it. All the informations are there. You can also see the questions which you had wrong. Don't worry when you have wrong answers on the review quiz. See the question, the machine automatically send you all the correct answers on all the questions. Even the ones you had correct, the machine is going to send all the questions. You can see the question that I said that all the quizzes are made up of multiple choice questions. You need to choose. And multiple choice question is all the same. It's like it's A that is correct, it's like it's B that is correct, it's like it's C that is correct. We can be confused to choose the right answer, but if you have a cool head and you read the question well to understand, you are going to see the right answer will appear on your mind when you have not yet choose the answer. So we need to make sure to understand the question before choosing the answer. And this will help us to have a very good grade in our final exams. Always do your review quiz, because since the grade is not added to the final course grades, it might be like, why should I waste my time doing the review quiz where the marks are not added to my... No, the time that you will need the review quiz is coming, because it will help you to have higher grades in your final exam. I said that the review quiz is always on the week 9, but it's open on the week 8. Even the learning guide for the week 9 is open on the week 8 for you to be able to read the guide, that means to read the learning guide for the final exam in week 8 and start to prepare, because the final exam is just in 4 days. So the main purpose of this video is to know that review quiz is important. It's very important to do your review quiz. You can do it so many attempts. You can do up to 3-4 attempts, so that when you want to do your revision, you can add all the graded quiz, the self quizzes, and the review quiz. You do your revision, you go back to your notes, you do some revisions there, you know definitions of words, you know concept. All of this, they will help you to have a very good grade in the final exam itself. So do not keep out the review quiz. The review quiz is very important. Always make sure that you take your review quiz. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to share with other students and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to have more updates on how to have good grades at the University of the People. Because if you are there and you are not performing well, you are in the risk of even dropping from the university, because you can be dismissed if you have too much low grades, bad grades on your courses. You can be dismissed. So this channel is meant for the tips on how to have good grades. Always stay tuned to my channel. Make sure to see all the videos. They are going to help you in how to have good grades in all your assignment, in all your courses. But if you see that the video needs some improvement or some, because we don't know, we always do things that we are not yet perfect, we are still trying, make sure to put in the comment section. I will review them and try to make the channel be what you want it, how you want it to go, because all of us, we are here to help ourselves in order to succeed well at the U People And at the end of week 9, all of us, we are happy because we had good grades in our assignments and in the final course, in the course itself. And all of this will make us to be happy. And I myself, I will be more happier, so happy than everybody, because I will be so grateful to see that all students at UPipo are scoring good grades in their assignment and in all their courses. Make sure to subscribe. Good luck in your studies at UPipo. Make sure to be well, healthy, and be safe and blessed. Bye.